Good morning. Here's some of my blades. Frank B. Dagger blade, 11 inches. Another Frank B. This is 58, 58, 64. Fake horn. This is not a Frank B, but some of your obvious brothers. Oh, this is a China clone, IKC China clone by Wish or eBay or something else. Another Chinese clone, this fake lever ladder, totally fake but nice toy for about 20 euros. Then genuine AKC dagger blade ODF, Tanto ODF, 11 inches bayonet blade ODF. I love this toy, but I hate the screw. I'm always with a screwdriver fixing this damn handle. There's, I don't know which Beltram brother is, not Frank, but some of his relatives or brothers. Made in Italy instead of the usual Frank B. AKC ODF dagger blade, F16 collection. Very nice toys. Cobra ODF, like 1940s uniforms collection. There's pin-ups. Dagger blade with serrated part. Titan ODF, also dagger blade. Then side opening, two Frank Beltram, and another China clone. This is AKC fake AC, about 30 euros, shipping included. The spring is practically a joke. Holy fuck. Then serious stuff. Kicks like a mule. Come on, focus. Frambe, Italy. Bayonet blade, love it. But I love more this. Hear the sound. It kicks like a mule opening. Come on! Where the hell is the focus? Yeah. Oh shit. This fucking flashlight. Well, believe me, he's a Frank B. Oh, come on, little boy. Oh. my violent play. I love this stuff. Look, look the spring. It's all another stuff. Whole another world. But that China crap is useful for actual use. Even if I actually use also this, I'm not just a collector. I also use for fly stuff or package opening of other knives. But I use an AUG. I use them an AUG. 1964. I want make you hear the sound. Sure. Well, it flies out. Really flies out. I don't know which Beltram